YouTube, BusiGirl here, and today I'm going to build a super solar robot. Stay tuned. The robot that I'm building today,
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger!
It's called Super Solar Recycler, and the company that made it is Robotikits, and it's a do-it-yourself kit. You can make up to 6 different robots. 3 additional things you'll need: 2 cans, 1 plastic bottle, and 3 CDs. Let's get started. Now I'm going to open the box and get all the parts out. And now I'm going to cut the pieces out. Remember to do the burrs last. I'm going to do A first, and then B is yellow. Remember to cut off the burrs so it doesn't prevent you from putting all the pieces together. Additional pieces include pinion gear, a round shaft, gear with shaft, motor with springs, adhesive, tape, sponges, a solar panel, eyes, wings, rubber bands, and rubber belt. First off, let's start building the gearbox. You have to be careful when you do this because it can break easily. You have to be careful and slow. I'm not being silly now. Done. Next up, we connect the solar module. So the green one goes on the negative, which is on the left side. And the white one goes on the right side. And you have to be gentle with the wires because they separate. And it's done. And that's how it's supposed to look. Next, you'll assemble the pieces. Be careful not to lose any of the pieces in the process. Now to assemble the body of the CD Racer. Now it's all together. Don't forget the eyes. The CD eraser is complete. This is the end result of my project, and I really like it, and it's really cool. And we're going to do an indoor-outdoor test, and we're going to set up a light.
One eternity later.
Okay, let's get started. Goodbye. Go around. Oh, here I am. Oh, there. How'd it get here?
A few moments later.
We're at the park and we're going to try out the CD racer. We tried it indoors and outdoors. It really works. It really works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to comment down below and let me know if you have any robot builds I should try. So boom, that's what's going down. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.